To fix Cash App money not showing up, start by checking your account balance and transaction history to confirm that the payment was sent and received. Ensure you have a stable internet connection and that the Cash App is updated to the latest version. If the issue persists, try restarting the Cash App or your mobile device to resolve any technical glitches. Check for any notifications or alerts from Cash App regarding the transaction, as they may have flagged it for review or require additional verification. Verify that the recipient's cash tag or phone number is correct, as incorrect information may cause the payment to fail or not appear in the account. If you are the recipient, ensure that your account is active and not restricted, and that you have completed any required verification steps. Contact Cash App support directly through the app or their website if none of the above steps resolve the issue. Provide them with as much detail as possible about the missing payment, including the date, amount, and any error messages you received. They will investigate the issue and provide a resolution, which may include refunding the payment or depositing it into your account. It is also essential to be aware of common reasons why Cash App money may not show up, such as insufficient funds, blocked or restricted accounts, or technical issues with the app or your device. By following these steps and being mindful of these potential issues, you can quickly and easily resolve the problem and access your funds. Regularly monitoring your account activity and keeping your contact information up to date can also help prevent issues with Cash App payments not showing up. By taking these proactive steps, you can minimize the risk of disputes and ensure a smooth and convenient payment experience with Cash App.